What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to screen mirror your Mac to a TV using AirPlay. First, let's check if your Mac is already seeing your smart TV as an AirPlay compatible device on your network. In your control center, click on this rectangle icon to enable AirPlay. A list of AirPlay compatible devices will appear. If your preferred device, such as your TV, is not appearing, then it usually means that macOS is not detecting it because of various reasons. First, make sure your Mac and TV are on the same Wi-Fi network and that your TV is turned on. In some cases, standby will be enough, but for initial connection, you should make sure that the TV is turned on. When this is done, open up your Mac system settings. Here, head to the General section and click on AirDrop and Handoff. Make sure AirPlay Receiver is enabled and that the Allow AirPlay for option is set to current user, which is recommended over anyone on the same network for security reasons. You can then reopen the control center and your TV should show up. If it still doesn't, then you will have to enable Apple AirPlay in your TV settings, in case it's not enabled by default. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.